Hey there, let's talk about confidence. Ever wondered why some people just seem to exude it while others struggle? Confidence is a mix of self-esteem, optimism, and courage. It's believing in your worth, trusting your abilities, and turning thoughts into action. But what influences our confidence? First, there's genetics. Yep, some of it is in your DNA. Then there's the environment, think social pressures and upbringing. And finally, personal choices, how you face challenges and setbacks. Now let's build that confidence. Short term, you can visualize success. Picture yourself nailing that presentation or acing that interview. Music helps too. Listen to something with a deep bass to feel empowered. Power posing. Stand tall, take up space, feel the difference. And don't forget self-talk. A good pep talk can work wonders. For the long haul, focus on a growth mindset. Believe that your talents can be developed through effort. Embrace failure. Yes, really, think of J.K. Rowling and the Wright brothers. They faced countless setbacks, but kept pushing forward. Studies show that those who fail and keep trying develop stronger coping mechanisms. Lastly, practice self-compassion. Be kind to yourself when you mess up. So go on, unlock your inner confidence and start living your best life. Remember, it's a journey, not a destination. You've got this. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.